Let's face it, whether we like it or not, the robots aren't just coming, they're already here. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world faster than expected. Over 300 million jobs are expected to be replaced by AI by the year 2030. Entire industry are being disrupted as we speak. But here is the kicker. While AI is replacing some jobs, it's also creating incredible opportunities for those who are bold enough to embrace it. So let me ask you this question. Are you currently experimenting with AI? Because if you are not, there's a very big chance that you will get left behind in this new era. Although I know what you are thinking right now. You are like,
AI sounds great, but where do I even start?
Or maybe you've watched a dozen of videos on YouTube promising to show you the next big AI tool that will make you rich overnight, only for you to try them out and feel completely let down. Trust me, I got your point. Most of these tools sound amazing in theory, but when you actually use them, they are nowhere near as powerful as advertised. But don't worry, what am I here for? I got you covered. In today's video, I'm cutting through all the hype and giving you the real deal. I have handpicked 8 game-changing AI tools that I believe are going to explode in popularity this year. These tools aren't just theoretical, they have the potential to actually make you money. And the best part is that you don't even need a fancy tech gadget, a degree, or $1,000 to get started. We are speaking about tools that can turn simple ideas into a profitable side hustle, help you dominate social media, or even help you to build an entirely new business from scratch. And yes, I'll be showing you real examples and strategies that are working properly, so you can follow along step by step. To kick things off, we'll be starting with Midjourney, one of the most powerful AI out there for creating jaw-dropping visuals. You may have heard of it before, but I'm about to show you a completely new way to start using it. One that will help you earn thousands of dollars every single week. It doesn't matter if you have never used it before. What matters is your focus and seriousness. Additionally, I'll walk you through a live example to prove that it actually works. So grab your notebook, buckle up, and get ready to dive into the incredible world of AI and the way it is changing the game. So let's jump into it. Now, here is the concept. Use Midjourney AI to create a niche Instagram page like the one you are seeing on my screen right now. As you can see, this page has gained a huge following by generating amazing AI images. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to earn money while learning AI. All the page does is use Midjourney to create stunning images, post them on Instagram, and sell them as wallpaper. A genius strategy. If you click their bio link, you will find a page full of wallpapers for sale. But selling digital wallpaper is just one way to profit from this. In just a moment, I'll be showing you more profitable method that you have never come across before. But first, let's discuss how to start such a page. Step 1. Choose a viral niche to focus your images on. It's not enough to just start creating random AI images. You need to tap into trendy themes like mystical cabins, futuristic cars, or beautiful landscapes. Step 2. Sign up for Midjourney and learn the best prompts for realistic and attention-grabbing images. YouTube tutorials are great for this. Step 3. Once your prompts are perfect, start posting on Instagram to build your audience. Now, instead of selling digital wallpapers, here is a more profitable option. Displate. Displate is a print-on-demand platform that prints your digital image on Meta canvases. Create a Displate account, upload your images, and they will handle printing and shipping. You just need to drive traffic from Instagram to your Displate store, and you can earn significantly more compared to selling digital wallpapers. This business model works so well because of the creator economic boom. Thanks to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, it's easier than ever to reach a global audience and build life-changing income. But here is a missed opportunity. 75% of the world's population doesn't speak English, meaning most creators are only reaching out to 25% of their potential audience. That's exactly where our next tool comes in. Heygen. Heygen translates videos into any language with ease. Upload your video, choose a language, and it generates a translated version for you. While many recommend Heygen for YouTubers, I suggest targeting Instagram and TikTok creators. Offer to manage their multilingual accounts for $2,000 to $5,000, and this can just be per month or per account, depending on how you feel. Start by sending free samples to creators to demonstrate its potential. The next big tool on our list is Hostinger, a website builder powered by AI. And currently, Hostinger is the best hosting platform in the market today. It helps you create high converting professional websites without any coding skills. Now let me show you how it it works. Enter your brand name, select your website type, describe your business, and Hostinja generates a website. Customize it with their drag and drop feature, use their AI writer for unique content, or optimize pages with their AI SEO tool. Their business plan includes AI tools, a free domain, email inbox, marketing integration, 24/7 support, and more. With a special 10% discount if you use the link in the description right now. It's just $2.95 per month with 3 months free. And that aside, let's talk about Jasper AI. This is a tool that's revolutionizing content creation and it's perfect for anyone looking to make serious money online. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or just someone trying to start a side hustle, Jasper can save you countless hours and help you generate high quality written content in a fraction of time. Now ask yourself, what makes Jasper so powerful? Well, it's actually the ability to create professional grade content for virtually any purpose. Need a sales email? Jasper got you covered. Want to create engaging blog posts? No problem. Struggling to write product description for your online stores? Jasper can do that for you as well. But here is the big deal. Jasper is not just about writing alone. It's about making moolah. One of the best ways to make money on this platform is by offering copywriting services to businesses and content creators. Companies are constantly on the lookout for high converting content. And with Jasper, you can deliver it quickly and consistently. Imagine charging like $100 to $500 per blog post and being able to produce several of it in just a single day. Well, if you are not interested in freelancing, Jasper can also help you to build and grow your own business. For example, you can use it to create social media captions, ad copy, or even full-blown marketing campaign. In addition, it has templates for just about every kind of content you could need, so you don't have to start from scratch. The best part is that Jasper comes with another advanced feature that you don't know yet, like tone customization and even the ability to write in multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for reaching global audience. So whether you want to create services, enhance your own project, or dive into affiliate marketing, Jasper AI is actually one of the tools you need in your arsenal. The next AI tool we'll be talking about right now is Photoroom AI. This transforms basic product image into professional grade visuals. Businesses often rely on poor quality stock images, which hurt their sales. Photoroom solves this problem by letting you upload a product image, remove the background, and add stunning new background. To profit from this, all you have to do is to find businesses using images that are not really up to standard or images that are not even attractive, then submit your own sample to them to promote your service. You can charge like $500 to $1,000 per website, and this is just a work that will take a few hours. The next tool we are talking about today is Softr, a no-code app builder revolutionizing app creation. In the past, creating apps require coding skills or large budgets. Now with Softr, you can create virtually any apps without coding. For example, if you want to build a dog walking app, type it into the prompt and Softr generates the app. Use their drag and drop features to customize it. For scaling, transition to bubble.io, a no-code platform used by entrepreneurs to build million-dollar apps. One user, known as Chad, built a legal app with Bubble and scaled it to $100,000 a month in just a few months. The next tool we'll be talking about is well known, and you already know it before now. It's known as ChatGPT. But this time around, we will not be using it for writing ebooks or ghostwriting. All you have to do is to pair it with Canva AI to create a real business helping social media creators. Many creators struggle to manage multiple platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. With ChatGPT, you can generate hundreds of social media posts in seconds. For instance, ask ChatGPT for 25 motivational quotes, export them to Excel, and bulk upload them to Canva templates. Then offer free samples to Instagram pages and pitch your management service for $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Finally, arcads. This helps you to leverage the power of AI to create professional UGC ads. And this is the same content that businesses usually spend thousands on. You can generate high quality AI created ads, which is not even different from real ones. Use this to tap into affiliate marketing or create compelling ads for clients. And you can start earning commissions without having to manage inventory or products. What if I told you that AI has made people so lazy to the point whereby everything just seems like doing nothing? This might seem too good to be true, but here is a video that exposed 7 powerful AI tools that will ease your daily stress by doing 99.9% of the job for you. Ensure you check it out. Whatever you do, never stop making money.